It's Tim Albright with AVNation at CEDIA 2017. My buddy Bruno Napoli from Krika. How are you, sir?
Very fine. I'm quite fine and very happy to be here.
Yeah,
really.
People know you've been on the show, Resi Week, a number of times. Other folks know you as colloquially as the GAFA guy.
Yes.
Right? Google, Amazon, Facebook, and Apple. Your company, Krika, you guys are going under a transformation.
Yes.
Explain to me in very basic terms, because I'm not that bright.
Okay.
What you guys are shifting and moving to.
Okay, we're moving from a manufacturer to a service provider. Okay. We are going to provide service to home technology professional. Today there is a big challenge for home technology professional is to give support to their clients during evening, weekends, and
so off hours.
Yes,
so,
off hours. Sure.
Non-business hours.
Yes, non-business hour. Because obviously we are working in a world where end user use the system after working hours.
Yeah.
So if you want to provide service, you will end up with a very terrible life. Okay. So we're providing concierge service, a white labeled concierge service for the home technology professional. We're going to give them a toll-free number. They're going to give this toll-free number to their clients, and their clients will call us 24/7, and we're going to answer the phone as if we were with the name of the custom installer. Okay, and we're going to provide the same service that the custom installer could give with the phone. We're going to troubleshoot the installation thanks with remote supervision, because we're going to tell every custom installer to add remote supervision into its client's premises. So we're going to troubleshoot the system and help the end user as if it was the custom installer itself.
Okay, so make sure I'm understanding this right. You're going to give an integrator. Let's say that I'm Tim's, home AV technology.
Yep.
You're going to give me my own 800 number.
Yes, absolutely.
And then my clients, when I'm not on, when it's after hours, they call that number, and you're going to say this is Tim's technology service.
Actually, yes, but we're going to do it 24 hours a day, because we want you to not to use your phone anymore.
Okay.
Because when you're working, okay,
you're working.
You don't want anyone to call you.
Yeah.
Okay, and it's going to educate your clients to call this number.
Create a habit. This is the number I call to get this company.
Yes,
okay.
This is very important. And so the way we're going to do it, we're going to give the home technology professional a big marketing support. So he's going to be able to send an email to all his clients and say, hey.
Existing and then prospective, right?
Yes, sure.
Okay.
All its clients, even the existing base. Hey, this is my company. We reach a new milestone. We can offer now to you a 24/7 concierge service. Just go to my website and just choose the plan that you want. Okay, and there is even a free plan. Okay, so the end user will go to the website. They will choose the plan they want. And if they choose the free plan, for example, okay, they also accept, and this is something important, because today the other challenge of the custom installer is to be paid when he rolls the truck.
Yeah.
And usually they don't do any maintenance contract or service contract, so everything is fuzzy, and the end user.
And just for the record, fuzzy to the end user means free.
No. Yes, sure, it's fuzzy. So sometimes the end user, they feel guilty to call the custom installer at night, and because nothing is written. Now he's going to go to the website of the custom installer. He can choose between 3 or 4 different plans, and there is one plan that is free. But if you accept this plan, from now you will pay me when I roll the truck.
Okay.
Okay, so it's going to...
And that's clearly outlined in the terms of service that they accept. Okay.
And actually, I even think that a lot of customers will feel much more comfortable, because now everything is written.
Yeah.
So when you're a custom installer and you want to give, for example, a service plan to all your existing customers, if you go there and tell them, from now you have to pay me, it's not going to be easy. A lot of customers won't like this.
Yeah.
But if you come now and say, you know what, from now we have a concierge service. We're giving this free to you. You can call my concierge service 24 hours a day, and this is free. But you have to accept now to pay me when I roll the truck.
So you are helping them solve a problem
Yes.
without charging them, right?
Absolutely.
Just to make sure that's clear. You are giving them the opportunity to help them still solve the problem, which is why they were calling in the first place.
Sure.
Right? And you were rolling a truck in the first place to help them solve the problem. So it's not like you are charging them. You may or may not charge them in the end if you have to physically have somebody come out, but you're at least giving them the opportunity to solve it for free, right? In the free plan, by doing it over the phone and with you guys' remote support.
Sure.
So here's the magic question, because you're not doing it for free.
No.
How do you guys, create revenue on this end?
Okay. So we're going to charge the custom installer approximately $1,000 a month.
Okay.
Okay. And with this, we will answer to 17 tickets. Okay.
So you get a baseline 17 tickets a month regardless.
Yes,
Okay.
regardless, 17. And if there's more tickets, we're going to charge him more ticket. One ticket is approximately $75.
Okay.
Okay. So one ticket is one problem. Okay. It's not. So let's say that a customer call us 3 times for the same problem. It's one ticket.
Okay.
Okay. So let's say you're a custom installer. If you want to give that level of service to your clients, it's going to cost you a fortune.
You have to hire people. You have to hire at least 2 or 3 people
You need
to
to
sit
hire
by a
people.
phone 24 hours a day,
Sure.
and they have to be a technician of some sort, and then you also have to have the remote support if you're going to give remote support.
What we're trying to achieve is to create a culture of service.
Yeah.
Because unfortunately for our channel, there is no culture of service, and we have to create this.
Yeah.
And to create this, we're going to come to see the end user and say, from now, I'm giving you this free conciergerie service. I'm giving this to you, but in return, when I come,
You're paying me.
you're paying me.
Real quickly, technical question. You said that your guys, your team, will remote support. How do they do that from a technical standpoint? How are they getting into their companies?
We're going to install some Krika box.
Okay.
Okay. So this is the typical remote supervision system.
Gotcha.
So every custom installer should install this. So we can log in, we can troubleshoot, we can remotely reboot stuff. We can do a lot with remote supervision. If
How much is the box?
the box is $150,
Okay.
something like that. So it's not a big deal.
Yeah.
It's not a big deal. And if with this kind of box, he's also installed some IP power strip, we can remotely reboot a lot of stuff. So
Power cycle.
So every little calls, you know what? When your customer calls you for 5 minutes, okay? How can you charge this 5 minutes? You can't. Okay?
All right, so the integrator buys these boxes, has them installed, does the IP control for a power strip, does the
Yep.
IP control for the other stuff, and then your team, when our clients or their clients call,
Yep.
you guys can see everything that's going on.
Yes, and we're going to help the custom. We're going to help the clients with password rebooting stuff, with internet troubleshooting, with everything that we can do remotely.
All right, very good. Are you open for business now, or if so, when do you guys open
So
up?
the service will start November 15,
Okay.
and you can already go to our website, krika.io,
Okay.
and you can register there, and we'll give you all information.
All right, very good. Bruno Napoli from Krika, thank you so much. My
you.
name is Tim Albright. For more information about us, you can find us at avnation.tv.